Good morning or afternoon or evening, depending on when you're watching this. We're at New York, here in Las Vegas. We're in the Century elevators, and we're gonna come up here. Got a nice little mural, it says New York, Vegas. That's pretty cool looking. Then we're gonna walk to our room, which is 2928. Here's an overview of the SoHo 2 Queen with a view. You get this nice mural here by the bathroom, a lot of artwork, which is neat. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Let's go more in detail here. Very clean. You got a mirror right there if you want to do your makeup. There's me saying hi. Here's this picture, it says open 24/7. Thought that was pretty cool. You got your toilet paper, you got your body lotion and hand wash right there. Got your blow dryer, hair dryer, whatever you call it. Towels, toilet. It's very clean. Here's your shower. Shampoo, body wash in there too. Very clean shower. Here's a cool mural on the wall right by when you walk in. It says welcome to the neighborhood or Big Apple. It's kind of cut off there, but it's made to look like an old newspaper. So this is a pretty neat wallpaper here. You can spend a few minutes reading this. I kind of did that just here. You can see with the camera work. I'm just going down and over so you guys can read it little by little. Pause it if you like. The font's really cool. It stands out. It's all in black and white, obviously, for a newspaper. It makes it feel like the old time. It says 1994, 1997. There's me again. Here's more of that mural. That's by the front door. Artwork, graffiti, because New York, so it's pretty cool looking. More overall view of the room. Again, the SoHo 2 Queen room with a view. We'll get to the view in a second, but beds, made, obviously. They'll put your name up on the TV when you check in, so that's cool if you like that. What do you guys think? You like your beds tucked or untucked? Because every time I go in there, I just immediately just rip off the sheets because I can't take it. Here's another picture of the nightlife for New York, which is pretty cool. It's on the wallpaper to make it look like the brick, but again, that's cool wallpaper because if you stand far back, you actually think it is real brick. There's me again. Let's take a look here. Fridge? No fridge. Some hotels have fridges. This could be your top drawer for your socks or underwear or whatever. Bottom for your shirts and everything else. There's my stuff, don't worry about it. That door, I guess you can have a connecting room. Here's a thin closet. I didn't know what that was at first and I opened it. So closet with hanger, ironing board. Here's the safe. You always have to have a safe. Little extra storage right there. Here's a table. You want to eat, work on the computer, whatever you want. And let's check out the view. It's very purple because of the outside tint. View of the roller coaster, Excalibur Mandalay Bay. You can see a little MGM Grand right there. That's where the ball field's gonna be for the Oakland Athletics. Here's the view of what the room looks like from the window. Up here, you got another piece of artwork that's by the bed. I think that's pretty cool too. Let's take an in-depth look at this. Graffiti, some famous New York places on there, faces. Here's the wall again. It's made to look like actual brick, but it's not. Beds, carpet is actually very clean too. I like that carpet. There's a trash can right there. The phone. This is how the elevator works. You're gonna press 1 if you're up in your room to go downstairs. It'll tell you what elevator to go into, and when it opens, it just takes you right down to 1. No buttons are necessary. Same for going up to the room. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look out for more videos.